Peace, y'all. We're coming live from the seat form. Here we go, Shay. Rich has already poured it around my shoulders and down to about my waist. He's mixing up to do the bottom half right now. And it's warm. It is warm. I can feel it growing up around me.
It's flashing. Why is it flashing?
That means it's recorded.
Oh. Okay.
All right, here we go, Bob.
Okay, well, make sure you get them doing the pour. Okay? Like it'll lift the leg a little. Or make sure you get it. Did you get it under my leg?
Yeah, Bob, it's blowing everywhere. This shit's thin as shit.
Yeah, at first. So it. Right?
Yep.
Wait.
I'm gonna have to pour some more in the back here.
Oh,
Bob.
sure. Yeah. How much do we got? Are we about half a gallon apiece now, or?
It looks like there's only like that much in in your back. It only raised up that much.
I can feel it
It's
all,
still
almost
growing.
to the top of my shoulder.
Yeah, that's where it's about. So,
Let's let this stuff grow and harden up, and then we'll add some more from there.
all right.
Ooh, baby. I can feel it all along my sides. Luckily, we don't have Francis here today gluing me into it like he did last time. Appreciate that, Francis. Ooh, it's growing up underneath my legs. Oh, man. Oh, wow. It's really pushing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this feels nice. It's going to be a good one.
Let's hope so.
Okay, are we good? You wanna?
We're good. We'll bring you some more when we're jumping out of this thing. Godspeed. God bless y'all. We're praying for you. Pray for me because I need it. It's hot in here. Peace out.